With an exceptional blend of waxes, detergents, polymers, and gloss enhancers, FLEXI-SHEEN rubber wax and conditioner cleans, conditions, protects, and beautifies flat and studded rubber floors in one easy step. Use undiluted as a water-resistant coating on bare rubber surfaces to protect and improve slip resistance. Apply multiple layers and high-speed buff to produce an impressive gloss. After the coating has been applied, FLEXI-SHEEN can be diluted and used as a daily cleaner to remove dirt and soils while conditioning the surface and preserving the gloss and slip resistance. In addition to being a key step in your rubber care program, FLEXI-SHEEN may also be applied on linoleum, no wax, PVC, and concrete surfaces.